After starting XR Easy on your computer, you can exit the full screen mode with the Escape button. In the Minimize view, the window can be scaled and moved as needed. You can navigate between the various menus in the Start Menu hub. The first menu, Import and Save, allows you to load, add, and save 3D models. Next to it is the Co-op menu. Here you can start a co-op session with other users. In order to stream XR Easy to your VR headset, click the button with the VR icon. The knowledge base can be opened in your browser via the Info button. Here you will find further instructions for XR Easy. The gear icon is where all general settings are managed. To open the assembly tree, click the pop-out menu on the right side of XR Easy. This feature is accessible as soon as a 3D model has been imported. XR Easy can be closed via the Exit button.